My secret for my house to stay with a good smell. Like the house of a millionaire. To start, we will use bay leaves, our ideal for this tip, because it contains an intense aroma. I'm sure you'll thank me for this tip today. We must break all the bay leaves in this way, thus facilitating an aroma. Then we will also use salt. The ideal amount is necessary to cover the bay leaves. The amount may vary according to your container. We will also use cloves, being an ideal item for cleaning tips, because it contains a great aroma and already improving the smell of your home. Just by using an amount of cloves in some corner, we should then add an additional amount of salt. To complete, we will also add concentrated fabric sulfur, being the main item to bring the aroma that your home needs and bringing the smell of a millionaire's home. The amount of use is your choice. Here I'm using a lid equivalent to 25 milliliters. Ideally mix all the ingredients well now. And before I forget, tell me which city you are watching us, to send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Emil Miranda from the Philippines. I'm glad you are enjoying our tips. To finish, we will also add cinnamon. I'm using only for pieces. I'm sure you will be impressed. In addition, to assist in the aroma of your home. Also, in the duration of this tip. That is impressive. This tip you can put in every room of your house, even in the living room and bathrooms. Will impress all your visitors. Remembering that, we should not worry about the amount of ingredients, because this tip has a long duration and remains active for up to a month. Finally, with a lighter, we can put fire at the tips of the cinnamon, in the same way I'm doing, thus also helping to exhale the entire aroma of cinnamon with the other ingredients. I'm sure you will be impressed with this tip and the aroma that will bring to your home. Really the smell of a millionaire's house. The best of this tip is that I use, even after cleaning at home, and works perfectly with other cleaning products. Tell me later if you got the result you wanted with the use of this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.